finding the mode of a set. And this is the first in a several part series. Here they ask us to find the mode of the data set below using your calculator to aid you with putting the data values in order. Our calculator will not find the actual mode for us. There's no function to do that, but it can really quickly, almost instantaneously, put a data set in order from least to greatest or from greatest to least for us. So what I want you to do is pause the video here and enter the data values that you see listed here into L1 on your graphing calculator. And once again, to get to the lists, you turn your calculator on, you press Stat, and you choose number 1, Edit, and then enter all of the data values in L1. After you enter each data value, you press Enter to go to the next line. Once you're done, press Play to resume. Okay, so you've entered all of the data values into L1, and as you look at the list here, they're definitely not in order, but we want to put them in order. And for this exercise, I think I'll put them in order from least to greatest. So what I want to do is press Second and Quit to go back to the home screen. Then I want to press Stat, and do you see how number 2 says Sort A and number 3 says Sort D? Well, that stands for Sort Ascending, least to greatest, and 3 is Sort Descending, that's from greatest to least. So I'm going to choose number 2. It's going to take me back to the home screen, and it's waiting for me to tell it which list I want it to sort. Well, I entered all of my data into L1, so I'm going to press Second and 1 to choose L1. I'm going to close the parentheses and press Enter. And then it's going to tell me done. I have to actually go back into the list to see my data in order. So I'm going to press Stat. I'm going to choose 1, Edit. And now if I scroll down in my list, I can see all of my data values are listed from least to greatest. So I can take this list and write it down, just as I've done here. Now this makes it easier for me to see if there's a mode. Remember that the mode is the data value that occurs most often in the data set. So if I look here, I see that 91 occurs twice. Let's see. I see that 92 occurs, 5 times. I see 93 occurs 4 times. 94 occurs 3 times. 95 occurs twice. And the rest of the data values only occur once. Now remember, the mode is the data value that occurs most. So let's look at this again. We have 91 occurs twice. 92 occurs 5 times. 93 occurs 4 times. 94 occurs 3 times. And 95 occurs 2 times. So it looks like 92, which occurs 5 times, is the mode of our data set. That's really all there is to finding the mode. Take the data, enter it into your list, sort the data in ascending order, and then locate which data value occurs most often. Until next time.